Welcome back. What you're about to watch isn't a misunderstanding. It's authority being tested in real time. A simple, lawful action turns into pressure, threats, and made-up rules. One officer pushes the limits, another follows blindly. The real question is, who actually knew the law? And who was just abusing the badge? Watch carefully, because this video shows exactly why knowing your rights matters.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
I'm just making a video.
Yeah, you can't record a guard station. It's an offence.
Oh. Is it an offence?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Can you
Sorry.
stop recording?
Why? I thought I could. Can you get your hand off me?
What's your name?
Am I required to give my name?
Yes.
I thought you can film from public.
You're committing an offence here.
What
Recording
offence?
a guard station.
What
Recording
offence?
a guard station.
What's the
It's
offence?
an offence to record a guard station.
It's not an offence.
Yes, it is.
I've done my research. I'm sure it's not an offence.
It is.
Is it?
What's this in relation to anyway?
It's just a video matter of public interest. Can you just relax a bit?
What's
There was
that?
no need to like touch me and stuff. Like we can have a conversation. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, take my number there now.
What's your own name?
I'm not required to give any names. Unless you suspect me of committing an offence.
It's an offence to record a guard
What
station.
offence is it? Look, I'm not trying to be difficult. I came to the front office and told you what I was doing. We didn't seem to have any issues. He's just come up to me, tried to grab me. I understand you got the section 24 power. But that's only if I've contravened any other section of the Public Order Act. You're aware it's not an offence to film from public? He doesn't want to talk. Is there anything else I can help you with? I'll ask you a question.
What's your answer?
Is there any...
What starts as a calm, routine moment turns tense almost instantly. Standing on a public footpath, the auditor is doing something completely lawful, filming. But within seconds, an officer steps in and makes a bold claim. You have no right to record. No warning, no explanation, just authority spoken as fact. The auditor doesn't argue emotionally. Instead, he asks the one question that changes everything: what offense? And that's where the cracks appear. The officer repeats the claim again and again, but can't name a single law. No section, no act, no legal grounding, just repetition and confidence, hoping that's enough. Then it escalates further. Physical contact, demands for identification, claims that filming a guard station is illegal, none of which are true. From a third-party perspective, this is the first major turning point. Authority is being used without law, and the moment it's challenged calmly, it starts to wobble. This opening segment hooks you because it shows how quickly a lawful act can be reframed as wrongdoing, simply because someone in uniform says so.
Anything else I can help you with?
No, is there anything I can help you with?
No. Is it relevant?
I didn't give you permission to record me.
I don't need your permission. I'm filming from public.
You do need your permission to record.
What country are you from?
So it's irrelevant.
No, it is relevant.
Why?
For visa stats.
Do you think that I've entered the country illegally?
Where are you from?
It's not relevant. If I'm entitled to answer, I don't think it's relevant to
You
what
are
I'm
in a
doing.
public place and you're being asked a question.
Okay. Am I required by law to answer the question?
Yeah, you are.
What law am I obliged?
Sorry?
Which law obligates me to answer?
Oh, where are you from?
Doesn't matter.
Sorry?
Doesn't matter. Do you suspect that I've entered illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect?
I can't hear you.
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Which country?
Ireland.
Ireland. Are you from Ireland?
Perhaps.
Sorry?
Perhaps.
Well, can I see some identification?
No, I don't have any ID.
You don't?
No.
Right. Okay. You don't have any ID on your person whatsoever?
None.
None? Okay. You know, you'd be able to tell us who you are and where you're from.
I don't have to.
Sorry?
I don't have to.
Says who?
It's my obligation not to.
What country?
Under section 43 of the Irish Constitution, I have the right to assemble here.
Sorry?
Section 43, or Article 43.
No, we have sections. We don't have articles. We have articles in the UK.
Okay, well, the Irish
I think you're
Constitution.
mixing your countries up now.
I'm not mixing my countries up, but I have the right to assembly. Section 6, subsection 1. I have the right to assemble here. I'm just doing some filming. There's nothing more to it than that. I am allowed.
You're not allowed.
I've done my research. I wouldn't be irresponsible.
I mean, you're
I
mixing
have.
up what country
So
as
what?
well. You're
What?
arguing with your sex. You're not allowed.
Excuse
okay?
me. I don't have any press credentials.
No credentials. You're no.
I don't need any credentials. I'm a member of the public, filming from public.
Official guard of the vehicle.
It's not an
This
offence
is
to do
actually-
so.
Yeah, this actually is. This belongs to the station. Do you know what I mean? So you're not actually allowed
What
to-
information could I pull from that registration?
You can. Do you know what I mean? It's not allowed. It's prohibited.
I don't think it is. I've done my research. I wouldn't be irresponsible. I have.
So I'm giving you an order now to leave the area, please. You're
What's
not
that, under
allowed to film me.
section
You do not
8?
have my permission. You do not have my permission to film me.
I don't need anyone's permission.
You do actually.
So you're ordering me
actually
under
do.
section 8 of the
I'm
Public Order
ordering
Act?
you, you're not allowed. Record.
Public Order Act.
Yeah, so section 8. Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act?
Sorry?
Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act for you to give me a directive under section 8?
You've been informed.
Yes, but on what basis?
Give your name and address as well. That's section 24.
Yeah, but I haven't contravened any section of the Public Order Act.
You're refusing to give that. You have no ID.
I haven't committed any offences, have
no
I?
ID, on you whatsoever.
I don't need any ID.
You're saying you won't even give your details, and then you're filming.
Can you not surround me, please?
No.
Can you not surround me, please? I'm feeling very intimidated.
Sorry?
Can you not surround me?
But you're in my workplace.
But I'm filming from public.
No, you're in my workplace.
Okay, but there's no need
If you
to
want
stand so
back,
close.
Stand back.
When the legal argument collapses, the strategy changes. The focus shifts away from filming and towards the person holding the camera. Suddenly, questions about where he's from start appearing. When that doesn't work, the pressure increases. Officers move closer. They surround him. The space tightens. This is no longer about law. It's about discomfort. The auditor calls it out in real time, saying he feels intimidated, asking them to step back. They refuse. Instead, they claim the pavement is their workplace, as if repeating it might make public land private. From the outside, it's a textbook intimidation tactic. Stand close, outnumber, talk over, and hope compliance replaces consent. What makes this section so intense is how controlled the auditor remains. He doesn't shout. He doesn't threaten. He simply keeps asking questions the officers can't answer. And every unanswered question raises the tension further. The audience can see it clearly now. When authority runs out of legal footing, pressure fills the gap.
Well, you're coming up to me.
No, this is my workplace.
Okay, I understand that. I'm not
So,
causing
my
a problem.
workplace.
I'm not causing an issue. Can you not stand so close? Look how close this guy's standing.
you're my workplace.
Alright.
I don't want to be on foot.
Well, you're
I have a
welcome.
right
You're
do
welcome
that.
to.
You're in our workplace.
I'm not in your
You don't
workplace.
understand. This is
I'm
our
in a
workplace.
public place.
No, it's not. This is our workplace.
So this isn't a public
This
place.
is our workplace. All this is. This is part.
I'm aware, but it can be filmed
Yeah.
from public.
No, it can't. Really? I said to you, you can't even give a proper explanation.
There is a proper explanation.
You're not.
Matters of public interest. The
Of
public
what?
are interested to see how their tax money is being spent. Interactions between the public and the authorities.
You can't even tell us where you're from, so we don't even know.
I
if
don't
you're a
need to. I
taxpayer.
don't need to tell you.
So why are you saying you're doing it on behalf of the taxpayers when you can't prove you're a taxpayer?
I don't need to prove I'm a taxpayer. What about
You're a
other
hypocrite.
taxpayers?
You're a hypocrite.
Okay, let's reserve our opinions. Like you're in uniform, you're at
You
work.
prove it and not have a discussion with you, but at the moment you're just a hypocrite.
Okay, I'll be a hypocrite. Why are you standing so close, man? There's no need for this.
I know you're bro.
I'm not your. All right.
I'm just furious. I like your phone, you see.
You're trying to intimidate me. Can you tell him to pack it in? Like, there's no need. Excuse me. Excuse me. Why do I need to stop recording? I'm just expressing my right to film from public. This is very unprofessional behaviour. Excuse me.
There's private cars as well in there. You have no right to record on private cars.
They're not exempt from being filmed.
Oh yeah, they are.
They're not.
You have no right. There's a security issue around it. You have no right to record.
Okay, well, rest assured, I haven't got.
You have no right to record.
Actually,
that
they're in
car.
public or anything I
They're
can
not in
see
a
from
public
public.
place.
But I can
That's
film
a
them from
private-
public.
No, it's a private area. You're not allowed to record private cars. There's a national security with regards to it.
Insecurity in regards to what?
Because they're guards, private vehicles.
Okay,
Yeah.
I wouldn't have known that.
Yeah, well, they are. Well, what did you think they were?
Excuse me? I have done my homework, but I can film anything from public. This is very unprofessional.
You're reporting me. I can report you.
But this whole trying to surround me, intimidate me, like...
He's allowed to record you. You're in a public place.
You seem quite reasonable. I'd rather speak with you. Like, you two, I don't know, like,
You two what?
what's going
You were
on? Like,
asked- You were asked a question why you're recording.
They're right. Recording guarded vehicles.
And private.
Our own private.
okay, is it an offence?
To record private vehicles.
I haven't been able to make out any private
No,
vehicles.
really. Who are we going by? You saying that?
But regardless, they can be
No,
filmed.
Sorry, it's safety as well.
Your CCTV cameras
It's
film everyone's
safety.
private cars.
It's safety.
Okay, I'm not
Okay?
here to.
So we're working in it like for security and safety. Okay. So there is an issue around my personal vehicle reg being anywhere.
It's not going to be
You
anywhere.
don't
Don't
have
worry.
my authority. Yeah, I have what? A stranger's word for that. You
Okay, well, you have to go based on what you know. Not everyone is.
Everything. You don't have a right.
I'm not a
to
criminal,
film
like, you can't just suspect
Did
me.
I say you were? But we don't know who you are.
Well,
Yeah, and
you
I'm
can't
saying
treat
you do
everyone
not-
as a suspect.
You do not have the right to record our own.
Well, technically
private
I do.
No, you don't. It's private spot. You do
The
not.
CCTV
you do
cameras
not.
can-
You do not. That's different. You do not. You're a private person. You do not have a right to record private reg.
As I said, I like your phone. It's nice.
Thanks.
Where'd you get it?
It's an iPhone.
An iPhone.
Yeah.
What type of iPhone?
iPhone XR. Can you just leave me alone? Like, I feel a little
I'm in
bit
my
harassed.
workplace. I'm entitled to do whatever I want in my workplace.
Well, no, well, technically you're not. Like,
I am actually. It's part
we're
of the
in a
station.
public place.
Yeah.
You're just kind of coming up to me, circling me, surrounding me.
No, as I
like,
said, it's a nice phone. I'm thinking of getting one myself. You see.
so you're not trying to intimidate me.
No.
Yeah, how about this? Do you want this? Yeah. If I give you this, will you leave me alone?
But I'm not doing that with you.
You say you wanted a phone. Here, take this phone.
Sorry?
Take this phone.
Oh no, I don't want any of your property. So
Okay.
No. I couldn't deprive you of your phone. Why do you have two phones?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Listen, if the camera's upsetting you, then that's on you. Like,
It's not on us.
it's just like the feelings
You
police.
didn't
Like,
like him standing in front of you. So
yeah,
why
but that's
is
a
it
little
any
bit different, isn't
No,
it?
it's not.
You're a hypocrite if you've shown no respect and no humanity for us.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Well, if you fancy standing there in the rain, not just something.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
Right, see you later, lads. Yeah, and if I find you outside you filming in any private vehicle registers, it'll be a different story.
Okay.
Or a code into.
Thank you.
With intimidation failing, a new rule suddenly appears. The auditor is told he has no right to film private vehicles. It's framed as a security issue, then as a data issue, then as a general prohibition. But once again, no law is cited. The auditor dismantles it calmly, pointing out CCTV, dash cams, traffic cameras, all recording vehicles legally every day. And this is where the encounter starts to unravel completely. Officers contradict each other. One claims CCTV is different but can't explain how. Another stands inches away, commenting on the auditor's phone, a subtle psychological move meant to unsettle. It's no longer subtle policing, it's discomfort by design. From a third-party perspective, this is the collapse phase. Every claim made earlier has fallen apart. Every restriction turns out to be invented. And by the end, the officers have nothing left but vague warnings and frustration. The auditor remains where he started, lawful, calm, and still filming. The final takeaway is unmistakable. This was never about safety, security, or law. It was about control. And the moment knowledge entered the conversation, that control disappeared.